Hi, my name is Andy Boyle, and welcome to The Primer. This is a video how-to series on the Forensic Technology product line and some tips and tricks on how I think you can best use them to get the most efficient use out of them.
Now, so far in the Primer series here, I've been covering my correlation review techniques for cartridge cases where I use the multi-viewer. When it comes to doing bullet reviews, I do not use the multi-viewer actually. I like to select my bullet reference, and that updates the results list down here. And I would make my selection of the first place candidate and go straight to the side-by-side window. Before we get into that though, there's a little bit of personalization you can do with your options here. So this is a small database that we have here. There are 262 correlation results here, total sample size 262. Here we can see there were 262 results that came back. That's not very big, that's fine. The factory default shows all results, and 262 loads up very quickly. We can see the update is very fast here. Each one of these guys has 262 to load. Over time though, your IBIS database is only going to get bigger and bigger, and eventually you're going to get into the thousands and tens of thousands with the number of results coming back. And every time you make a selection here, if you're looking at all the results and it's got a number crunch 10,000 results, that is going to start building up a lot of time. Each time you click on one of these, you're going to have to wait 2 minutes or 5 minutes or what have you. So it's good to preset one of these two filters on the front here. Rather than go with all results, you could choose the middle option here, top 20 best scored results. And let's go back to that one I had chosen previously. So here, top 20 best scored results. And now there are actually only 30 to look at within that top 20 of those 262. The reason why there's 30 in the top 20 is because if I sort it here, you will see there are candidates that have tied for the same ranking position here. We've got 2 number 2s, 2 number 6, 2 in 9th place as well. So when you factor in all the doubles of tied scores, there are actually 30 to do comparisons of. Other than that, you also have the choice to go and look at only results that scored above 0.80. If I select that, now there's 52 to look at. And if we go all the way to the bottom of the results here, you can see the first choice is 0.81, 0.83, and up and up and up. So only results higher than 0.80 are in the results list. So there are 52 in this case or 30 in this case. Either way, if you've got a score results list in the tens of thousands, it's far faster to load the best 30 or best 50 or so than it is to load the full 10,000 list. So choose one of these two early on, and different laboratories have different protocols on which one they go with, but make that selection, and that's a selection you only need to make once there. Your IBIS system will remember that. The next time you log in, it will pre-sort by that number there. Let's say above 0.80. So I'll choose my reference, the list refreshes, I'll go to the first place candidate and double click on that one. And that opens up the side-by-side window. And now I have that pre-filtered list there. Instead of 262, I've got my 52 that I'm going to look at. And on screen here, I've got my reference and my test exhibit here. Reference is on the left, test is on the right. And actually over here, I can unlock it here, I've got the full mosaic of the reference, the full mosaic of the test, and what's between these two pink lines here is what I'm seeing a close-up of in the center of the screen. And the image is not looking very pretty right now, and that's just because I have not updated the factory defaults here. And so in the next video, I'm going to show you how I like to preset my preferences with these settings, and then get right into how I screen my correlation results for bullets.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to the channel for future content, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.